Hi everyone! On today's segment we're going to make an easy, cheesy, and delicious pasta primavera, so keep watching. Start by securing your cutting board in place with a wet napkin or paper towel. You'll be doing a lot of cutting. You'll need a peeler and a very sharp knife. Cut the top and bottom of the carrot and then use a peeler to peel the skin. I'm going to demonstrate julienne style vegetables for the pasta primavera. So begin with the carrot. Cut the carrot in half and then cut the sides very carefully. Rotate and continue cutting the sides until you get a cubed carrot. I'll cut again lengthwise. Then stack the planks and cut to get matchstick pieces. I'm going to use the same cutting technique with the zucchini. To julienne the peppers, I'll begin by cutting the top. Cut the pepper in half, remove the core and the seeds. Make a single cut down the center of the pepper to create two halves. Preparing one half for julienne, take one half of the pepper and place it on the cutting board, cut side down. Slice into thin strips and then cut in half again. Slice one onion. Smash a couple of cloves of garlic, chop, and then mince them down. Bring a pot of water with a touch of olive oil to a boil, add some salt, and add the box of rotini. Allow that to cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. On medium to low heat, add olive oil to a nonstick pan. Cook the onions until they're tender and translucent, about 7 to 10 minutes. Then add the garlic and allow that to cook for about a minute or two. Finally, add the seasoning and combine well. Add the julienne vegetables and allow it to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Grate half a cup of good Parmesan cheese. And last but not least, we'll combine the rotini, julienne vegetables, and the cheese. Combine well and enjoy. Thank you again for watching. If you like what you just saw, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.